aramid honeycomb, and glass fiber, without thermal deformation or burrs, with smooth edges like mirrors. High cutting accuracy, easy to handle complex curved surfaces and irregular patterns, from automotive carbon fiber components to aerospace aramid honeycomb panels, all in one machine. The vibration knife cutting machine is widely used in the advertising industry and can cut various commonly used materials such as advertising signs, display props, car stickers, etc. High precision cutting, supporting complex designs, perfectly cutting micro logos, hollow text, and curved decorations in the advertising industry. Indentation and half-cutting technology achieve integrated processing of folding line, indentation, and cutting on KT board and corrugated paper. Multi-material cutting with one machine, cutting from ultra-thin car stickers to thick snowflake boards. Automatic tool change. By changing the tool, cutting, indentation, punching, and drawing functions can be achieved. The vibration knife cutting machine provides multi-dimensional support for customers in the advertising industry. It can accurately cut all types of materials such as spray-painted cloth, acrylic, KT board, etc., avoiding burrs and dust. Improve material utilization through automated typesetting, shorten delivery time through high-speed cutting, and adapt to small batch customization and urgent orders. What we are showing you now is the intelligent cutting of leather materials. Our intelligent cutting solution not only improves production efficiency, but also ensures product quality, giving your leather products a competitive advantage from the source. Our company's vibrating knife cutting machine, which is equipped with computer intelligent typesetting, infrared precise positioning, automatic tool changing, and can continuously cut. The edges of the cut products are smooth and can be put into use directly without secondary processing. We sincerely invite you to contact us and explore cooperation opportunities together. This device is specially designed for leather products such as car floor mats, interior materials, blackout mats, and luggage, and is known for precision cutting. The intelligent recognition system it is equipped with, like sharp eyes, can quickly scan leather materials, automatically calibrate cutting paths, and make design drawings perfectly match actual processing. High-frequency vibration knife technology is the sharp blade of the equipment, which cuts leather fibers cleanly with high-frequency reciprocating motion, making the incision smooth and even without burrs. Whether it is a complex shape contour or a finely crafted carved pattern, it can accurately shape and efficiently complete production tasks. The vibration knife cutting machine has a wide range of applications in automotive interior processing, with the core advantages of no thermal damage, high precision, and high efficiency, especially suitable for high-end customized car models with strict requirements for interior quality. Supports direct import of cut drawings, quick prototyping, cutting of irregular and complex patterns, and multi-process integration such as punching and marking. With high-speed cutting speed, a single device can cover hundreds of sets of seed fabrics per day, cutting multiple layers of materials without misalignment, damage, or deformation between layers, and the incision is smooth without burrs. It is the preferred process for intelligent manufacturing of automotive interiors. In the automotive interior industry, vibration knife cutting machines stand out with unique advantages. It can accurately cut various interior materials such as leather and fabric. Whether it is complex irregular contours or exquisite patterns, it can be easily controlled, and the cutting edges are smooth without burrs. Efficient cutting performance enables it to quickly respond to large-scale order demands, and flexible processing mode supports on-demand design adjustments. At the same time, the highly automated operation of the equipment significantly reduces manual intervention, ensuring the processing quality of interior components and significantly improving production efficiency, providing strong support for automotive interior manufacturing. The vibration knife cutting machine, with its high-frequency vibration cutting principle and digital control, can efficiently process the vast majority of common materials in the luggage industry, while reducing material pooling and deformation. It is particularly adept at dealing with materials that are difficult to handle with traditional processes, such as multi-layer composites, high elasticity, and easy deformation. The typesetting software automatically generates the optimal path, and complex graphics can be input and cut at any time. The equipment automatically loads materials, with precise infrared positioning and fast automatic tool replacement. High-frequency vibration eliminates thermal damage, and the edges do not require secondary treatment. The vibration knife cutting machine relies on high-frequency vibration cutting technology and digital intelligent control system to efficiently cut various common materials in the luggage industry. During the processing, it can effectively avoid material pulling and deformation, and can also easily handle multi-layer composites, high elasticity, and easy deformation. Intelligent typesetting software can automatically plan the optimal cutting path and support instant input and cutting of complex graphics. The equipment has automatic feeding, infrared precise positioning, and fast automatic tool changing functions, ensuring smooth and efficient operation throughout the process.
Precision cutting of leather materials, such as car floor mats, interior materials, shading pads, luggage, etc. With no burrs on the cut edges and precise shaping of complex and irregular shapes. Equipped with intelligent recognition system and high-frequency vibration knife technology.
The oscillating knife cutting machine provides multi-dimensional support for customers in the advertising industry. It can accurately cut all types of materials such as spray-painted cloth, acrylic, KT board, etc., avoiding burrs and dust. Improve material utilization through automated typesetting, shorten delivery time through high-speed cutting, and adapt to small batch customization and urgent orders. See how it redefines the art of cutting. Tens of thousands of high-frequency vibrations per minute, accurately penetrating high-end composite materials such as carbon fiber, aramid honeycomb, and glass fiber, without thermal deformation or burrs, with smooth edges like mirrors. High cutting accuracy, easy to handle complex curved surfaces and irregular patterns, from automotive carbon fiber components to aerospace aramid honeycomb panels, all in one machine. Say goodbye to the inefficiency of manual cutting. The large field camera's visual system instantly recognizes patterns, with a precision of plus or minus 0.01 mm micron level cutting and carving, with errors as fine as a hair. Continuous processing of coil materials, from design to finished products, doubling efficiency. Experience the smooth cut surface of exquisite quality and witness the leap in efficiency. The high-frequency vibrating blade cuts through various fabrics, and lace fabrics can also be accurately cut. CAD layout maximizes fabric utilization with an error control within 0.1 mm, making it easy to handle complex patterns. It can cut hundreds of layers of fabric at once, and the efficiency can be directly filled up. Are you still worried about cutting corrugated paper? The vibrating knife cutting machine is here. High precision and fast speed. Whether it is single or double corrugated cardboard or complex irregular structures, it can be accurately cut with smooth edges and no burrs. Half-cut corrugated paper can also be easily processed, with precise control of cutting depth without damaging the bottom layer. And there is no need for molds. Importing CAD drawings can start immediately, greatly saving sampling time and cost. When the oscillating knife cutting machine cuts the sealing gasket, the accuracy reaches 0.1 to 0.5 mm. The edge is smooth without burrs, and cold cutting does not damage the properties of materials such as rubber and PTFE. No need for molds. Can cut complex shapes according to CAD drawings, suitable for small batch customization. Combined with automatic feeding, it can be mass-produced with high efficiency and low loss. The mark point recognition advantage of the small camera of the oscillating knife cutting machine is significant, with high accuracy. By using fixed distance mark points and graphics, the control system can accurately cut along the design path, reducing errors. Widely applicable, can be used for various materials such as paper and fabric, and is not limited by size or shape. Our equipment's oblique cutting function can cut beveled edges, bevels, or various angles, and can be used to connect beveled edges for making packaging boxes and display racks. It can also perform oblique layered cutting on multi-layer materials to meet special process requirements, such as composite materials and soundproof cotton, expanding the flexibility and accuracy of processing scenarios.
Look at this oscillating knife cutting machine. It efficiently processes corrugated paper. First, cut out the outline of the cardboard box. Then automatically change the pressure wheel knife to accurately press out the creases, cutting and creasing in one go. Professional and efficient. Choose it for cardboard box processing. The oscillating knife cutting machine is a double beam model, equipped with a large surface platform, aluminum alloy honeycomb surface stable adsorption material, and felt guide tape and feeding rack for continuous conveying of coil materials. The dual cutting blade module supports dual station synchronous or independent operation, significantly improving efficiency. Communication servo drive runs smoothly and cuts accurately, widely used in industries such as luggage and advertising. Our suction cup oscillating knife cutting machine stabilizes and fixes cardboard box materials through strong suction, achieving automated feeding. Combined with computer typesetting software, one-click typesetting optimization can be completed, effectively improving material utilization. The red light positioning accurately guides the cutting path, and the pressure wheel knife accurately presses out the creases of the paper box according to the drawing. The oscillating knife cutting machine uses high-frequency vibration cutting technology and digital intelligent control system to efficiently cut various common materials in the luggage industry, avoiding material pulling and deformation during processing, and easily dealing with complex materials such as multi-layer composite, high elasticity, and easy deformation. Intelligent typesetting software automatically plans the optimal path, achieving instant input and cut of complex graphics. The oscillating knife cutting machine leads the industry with excellent performance. Specially designed for automatic cutting solutions of easily deformed fabrics, such as lace and chiffon, with smooth and burr-free cuts. Facing leather and fly-woven shoe uppers, it can be precisely cut in one go. Equipped with a vacuum adsorption table, an infrared positioning system, and tool-changing functions. Intelligent typesetting software. The oscillating knife cutting machine has demonstrated unparalleled competitive advantages in the field of sports equipment manufacturing. It can accurately cut sports equipment components of various materials, such as balls, etc., ensuring precise size and regular shape. It can also quickly complete the cutting of complex patterns and shapes, while reducing material waste, ensuring product quality, and helping to improve the performance and appearance of sports equipment. How to cut materials in the shoe and luggage industry. This device can accurately cut various complex shapes of materials, such as leather and fabric, with smooth cuts and reduced material waste. It can quickly complete pattern cutting, improve production efficiency, and adapt to the production needs of small batches and multiple styles. It can also be personalized through digital design to meet the unique requirements of different customers. In the sofa floor mat industry, the cutting speed of oscillating knife cutting machines is fast, which can improve production efficiency. High precision, smooth cutting edges, no serrations, and good cutting effect. It also supports intelligent typesetting, which can improve material utilization and is physically cut. Smoke-free and odorless, environmentally friendly and energy-saving, effectively reducing costs and improving product quality. In the automotive interior industry, oscillating knife cutting machines have significant advantages. It can accurately cut various complex shapes, adapt to various interior materials such as leather and fabric, and cut smooth edges without burrs. High cutting, efficiency, quickly complete large orders, flexible processing, easy to adjust design according to needs, and high degree of equipment automation, reducing manual. In the advertising industry, oscillating knife cutting machines can quickly and accurately cut various advertising materials, such as acrylic, KT board, leather, etc., and complex patterns can also be easily controlled, support personalized customization, and reduce mold usage. Intelligent typesetting reduces material loss. Efficient operation improves production efficiency and helps advertising production become more flexible, refined, and economical. In the composite industry, oscillating knife cutting machines can accurately cut various composite materials with high-frequency vibrating blades, resulting in smooth and burr-free cuts. Support fast cutting of complex graphics with high efficiency. Intelligent typesetting reduces material waste. No need for molds. Able to flexibly respond to diverse order demands, reduce costs, improve processing accuracy, and production efficiency. Aiming at the complex processing needs of textile fabrics, the intelligent vibration knife cutting solution achieves full category coverage. Equipped with intelligent typesetting and automatic tool changing system, various complex fabrics can be processed in one machine, with 30-second switching of cutting mode, multi-layer synchronous cutting, saving 30% material, improving efficiency, and reducing costs, providing a one-stop solution. The oscillating knife packaging industry can cut packaging substrates such as corrugated paper, honeycomb panels, pearl cotton, foam, adhesive labels. It is equipped with intelligent typesetting, automatic tool changing system, integrated indentation line, and semi-cutting technology, achieving one-time molding of packaging materials, smooth and burr-free cutting of finished products, and increasing material utilization by 40%. Accurate cutting of asbestos, graphite, rubber, polytetraflonally, and other gasket materials. Smooth and burr-free cutting of irregular parts. High-frequency vibration knife technology for efficient and dust-free cutting. Suitable for the production of precision components such as automotive seals and industrial gaskets.
Jinan Shinkai Machinery Co., Limited is a manufacturer specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of CNC vibration cutting machines. Through in-depth research and technological innovation, Shinkai provides excellent cutting solutions, advertising, textile, leather, automotive, and other fields. Shinkai sales network worldwide, with products exported to over 130 countries and regions, including Europe, South America, Africa, Russia, Southeast Asia, Australia, and more. Shinkai Machinery Co. adheres to the principle of customer first and quality priority, and sincerely provides services to every consultant. If you are looking for a reliable cutting solution provider to support your business development, then Shinkai Machinery Co. Limited is your ideal choice. We are committed to efficient cutting, unlimited creativity, The vibration knife cutting machine is particularly suitable for dealing with situations such as high elasticity and easy deformation of rubber materials when cutting rubber sheets. Machine with software-optimized layout, no need for molds, fast cutting, high precision, adopting high frequency and low amplitude vibration to reduce rubber softening or wear caused by friction, avoiding pulling deformation or rough edges. Supports special processes, such as multi-layer composite cutting, which can simultaneously cut rubber plus fabric and rubber plus metal mesh, composite materials to ensure alignment between layers, half cutting and indentation, precise control of cutting depth, achieving rubber surface indentation marking or half cutting process. The vibration knife cutting machine, with its cold cutting characteristics and high precision control ability, is particularly adept at solving problems such as bottom paper breakage and adhesive layer adhesion when cutting adhesive stickers. Machine with software-optimized layout, no need for molds, fast cutting, high precision, smooth edges without burrs. The pressure sensing system dynamically adjusts the cutting depth, cutting only the surface material without damaging the bottom paper. Vacuum adsorption table plus infrared positioning ensures that the material is flat without deviation, and the cutting positioning error is less than 0.05 mm, becoming the preferred solution for small batch customization, complex graphics, and special adhesive materials. The vibrating knife cutter is especially suitable for dealing with the variability and rebound of foam materials when cutting foam plates. Machine with software-optimized layout, no need for molds, fast cutting, high precision. High-frequency micro-amplitude vibration achieves layer-by-layer peeling and cutting, with smooth and non-compressive deformation of the incision. Vacuum adsorption tabletop plus infrared positioning ensures accurate alignment of each layer when cutting super thick foam, with dislocation rate less than 0.1 mm. Support direct import of 3D models to achieve one-time molding of complex shapes, such as wavy and honeycomb shapes, replacing multiple processes. The vibration knife cutting machine has many advantages in cutting PVC. It can achieve high precision cutting with smooth and burr-free cutting edges, precise size, and can meet various complex patterns and fine process requirements. Its cutting speed is fast, which can greatly improve production efficiency. Moreover, it has high flexibility and can quickly switch between different cutting patterns and shapes through programming. At the same time, it is a non-contact cutting method that does not generate mechanical pressure on PVC materials, avoiding material deformation. In addition, the vibration knife cutting machine also has good stability and durability, reducing maintenance costs, and has obvious comprehensive advantages in the PVC cutting field. The vibration knife cutting machine has significant advantages in cutting genuine leather pigskin. It has high cutting accuracy, can accurately achieve complex designs, and has small errors. High-frequency vibration makes the incision smooth and flat, which is conducive to subsequent processing and enhances the texture of the product. By adjusting parameters, different thicknesses of pigskin can be adapted, and precise path design can reduce material loss. Automated operations significantly improve production efficiency, reduce manual labor intensity, and result in less noise and dust during the cutting